We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up COSM stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, lower lows. Price action overall, higher highs. We do have that midpoint. Also adding second level lows and third level lows. So let's zoom in the price. Let's take a look at what's going on. So price action, monthly time frame, bullish green candle, pushed down to the bottom. So it's price action coming from a retest, pushed up. So it's a break and retest in that area between the price and second last candles in the market. Current price is sitting at 23.01. So if price work is way up, we are looking for price to tag that resistance line at 38.11. Before tagging that, it can tag that midpoint right above the price action, push down at 29.94. If price decides to reverse or turn around completely and create new lower lows, if we do receive that break, price can head down to that price of support or area support at 0.12. And before tagging that area, it can tag the midpoint of current price and the SR line we just read at 12.73. So we can see price in the middle range right here. So we're going to take a look at what's going on as we walk down the time frame. So let's take a look at overall what happened if that market does push up. So if that market pushes up, it can be coming from the next area will be the opposite side. So we receive some type of multiple push downs to the bottom. Let's make this a little cleaner. So we have that first, second, third, fourth, like a retest in here, market pushed up, triple bottom, market retested and pushed all the way up. And after that, it eventually came back down. So whatever happened on the left hand side, it looked like a triple bottom and a retest. And the market came back to retest that triple bottom on the previous side. So it will identify it in total about 4 pushes down to that bottom, 3 to the left in price action currently in that area, and we'll have that overall quadruple bottom. And at the area price, if something's forming in that area, if we do have look like a double bottom or a head and shoulders pattern, so it's could be a left shoulder, a head, and price action is a retest, so the right shoulder and the retest coming as we walk down the time frame, we'll see that break and retest. So market is doing some type of triple bottom or double bottom and retest in that area overall. If price decides to push down from this area and I'll be making new lows, price action will be coming from so overall we have that will be multiple pushes to that top of that first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double top. Market came back to retest. So we have a double top and a retest, and then the market pushed down. So we can see that price action is pushing back up. So market can come back to that midpoint of second level lows as it currently doing, working its way up. It could retest that midpoint, and they'll still push down to lower low to new lows, which would be in the negative. And also near price, we do have multiple pushes above price action in that area of that first, second, third, fourth retest market push down. So it looks like a double top and a retest, or overall triple top. And we have a triple top, a retest, one push, and this looks like the second retest. It could be overall. So let's try again. First, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest 3, retest 4. So retest 3, retest 4 is in the same areas. Price actions look like it's headed up back to that previous area when it did break that third level lows and retest with that price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. I think eighth the last candle in the market that came back to retest, and the market could be coming back to retest one more time, and we'll see if it's going to push up and break out of that resistance line, or it'll drop down further. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame reading as a huge bullish green candle. So it came back to retest that previous side. So as we walk down the time frame, we can really see what's happening at that low. So reading on this time frame here, we did receive first, second, third, fourth retest, market pushed up. So we have a double bottom and a retest. Price action came back to retest again. So altogether we have a triple bottom. So double bottom plus market came back to retest. So that's a triple bottom overall. And if it pushes up with a bullish green candle, as it currently doing, we're looking for the engulfment to the third to last candle of the market, which is that huge doji, which we are receiving. So we're looking for a retest to happen on this SR line, we just created. So we're going to make it a lot sharper so we can see what's going on. So market can retest at that high area and then push up further. So it will look something like this. Market broke, retest, push up. If not, market can still come to that midpoint of that area, which would be at near the second to last candle of the market, near that wick area. So right in that midpoint. So market can still push up as it currently doing. Retest this level here and push up, or it can retest that midpoint and push up. And it has up to that overall support to push up. If not, if it breaks this overall midpoint, because that's the middle of the price action candle, then we're looking for the break and retest for that market to push down lower. Headed down to the daily time frame. So price action, daily time frame still reading as that bullish green candle. So we just reading market has just pushed up. Something's formed this area. So market, like it created a double bottom here, a double top here, came back to retest second level lows, and then we pushed up. So we can see that market identify that first, second, third, fourth. We have a double bottom at that area that pushed that market up. So market is coming from a double bottom, headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So now we're on the 4. So we're going to create our zone going a little bit above the SR line, a little bit below, and we can take a nice look at what's going on. And then we're going to add it on 2 zones, one on that current area now, and also one right below on the next SR line. So as we walk down the time frame, if anything touch those areas of that zones, we get to see. But we do know price action is within that first zone on the 4-hour time frame, headed down to the 3. Huge candle just split up into 2. So now we get to see the levels. Headed down to the 2-hour time frame. Market's still pushing up. So market's gaining momentum as it pushed up, as the candle's getting, as the market pushed up from that area of support. So we're going to see if this is going to be the area the market lose momentum at that zone. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame, same as well. Candles are growing on the way up. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame, still huge bullish green candle. 30-minute time frame, still huge bullish green candle. 15-minute bullish green candle. So we do have some levels: break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Market pushed up. Headed down to the 5, same as well. Headed down to the 3-minute. Now we're on a 3-minute. Now we get to see what's going on in that zone. So in that zone, fourth last candle broke into that zone. Second last candle retest. Market pushed up. So it's a break and retest, and the market is side by side with price action, the second last candle. So market broke and retest and just hanging out at that top resistance. So as we can see, break, retest, pushed up, and just consolidate. If we receive an engulfment to this area, market's coming down for that double top, first, second, third, fourth leg. If not, we'll see that double bottom. So break, retest. So first, second, third, bullish green candle, push and follow up out that area. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, COSM, stock.